Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest roasted turkey ever. Trust me, this will be the star of your dinner table. First things first, get yourself a nice fresh turkey. We're talking about 14 pounds here. Alright, now let's get started. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, pat your turkey dry with paper towels. Dry turkey = crispy skin. Next, let's whip up some Magic the Herb butter. Combine a cup of softened butter with a handful of chopped herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. Add minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up until it's well blended. Now comes the fun part. Gently lift the skin of the turkey and slather that herb butter underneath. Be generous. Rub the remaining butter all over the outside too. This is what's going to give you that golden, crispy skin. Stuff the cavity with quartered onions, lemons, and a bunch of fresh herbs. These will infuse the turkey with incredible flavor. Next, tie the legs together with kitchen twine. This helps it cook evenly. Place the turkey breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan. Pour a cup of chicken broth into the pan to keep things moist. Pop it in the oven and roast for about 3 to 3.5 hours. Baste it every 30 minutes with the pan juices. Use a meat thermometer. You want it to hit 165 degrees in the thickest part of the thigh. Once it's done, let it rest for about 20 minutes before carving. This locks in all those juices. And there you have it, the juiciest, most delicious roasted turkey ever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy cooking, and see you next time.